Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can uninstall apps on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Right here in the center of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. And right now, if you want to uninstall an app, just go to the site you want to edit. Go ahead and click on select and edit site. And then you're going to be taken to your dashboard. Once you're here in your dashboard, here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find setup, home, getting paid, sales, catalog, blog, and right under it, you're going to find apps. If you click on apps, right here, you're going to find Manage Apps and also App Market. Go ahead and click on Manage Apps, and then here you're going to find all of your applications. So right now, we're going to go to the application we want to delete. Go to it, and then here you're going to find the option to upgrade it if it's upgradable. Right next to it, you're going to find Open, and here you're going to find these three dots. Go ahead and click on the three dots, and then here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find App Info, Rate and Review, Support, and lastly delete. So go ahead and click on delete, and then you're going to have this message right here. This app has visual elements on your site. To delete it, go to the editor. After deleting, publish your site so changes go live. So you're going to go to editor and then remove it from here. So right now they're going to ask you why deleting this app. So I'm going to choose don't need this anymore and then click on delete app. And then just wait for it to uninstall. And once finished, you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.